Welcome to the How To Studio. If you are using Google Docs and your menu is missing, in this video I will show you how to restore your menu. If you can't find the option for File or Edit or View, if those File, Edit, View options are missing, I'll show you how to do it, and I'll show you 3 ways how you can restore your menu. So the first way is a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, if you press down Control Shift and F at the same time, plus F, Control Shift and F, you will see that your menu at the top is restored. So you can now see your file menu, edit menu, and so forth. Another way how you can do it is just to click on this arrow that says show the menu. That's the second way how you can restore your menu. And the third way how you can restore your menu is just click on the search bar here and then click on compact control, and it will show the file edit menu for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.